Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Airtable for SEO tracking and keyword research, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to airtable.com. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, click on add a base to start a new project. You can choose to start from scratch or use a template. For SEO tracking and keyword research, selecting a blank base is advisable. Name your base something relevant, like SEO tracking. After naming your base, click on it to open it. You will see a default table named Table 1. Double-click on the title to rename it to Keyword Research or something similar. Next, you will want to customize your columns. Click on the first column header to rename it to Keyword. Change the column type to single-line text if it's not already set. Now, add another column by clicking the plus icon on the right. Rename this column to Search Volume and set its type to number. Add another column named Difficult. You might also want to add a column for Ranking URL where you can track where your keywords rank. Continue adding columns as needed for metrics like CPC or traffic potential. Once you're begin by researching relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush. Enter your keywords into the keyword column. Fill in the corresponding search volume and difficulty values in their respective columns. As you gather more data, look for additional keywords to add to your list. For ongoing SEO tracking, create a new table named SEO Performance. In this table, you can track metrics like clicks, impressions, and CTR over time. Set up a relationship between your keyword research table and your SEO performance table. This will allow you to link keywords directly to their performance data. To create this relationship, add a new column in the SEO performance table. Set it as a link to another record type and select the keyword research table. Now you can link keywords to their corresponding performance data easily. As you continue tracking, consider using Airtable's views to filter and sort your data. You can create a Kanban view for visualizing keyword progress. Utilize the calendar view for tracking content dates related to each keyword. This will keep your SEO efforts on point and ensure you are targeting the right keywords. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.